It's it's this day today.
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Right, 11th of January 2022. Right, BTC price and ETH price. I think they need some more energy. Yeah. So BTC price has been down. ETH was down by quite a lot actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Comparison today price which I wrote here was nearly 3,004. Now it's down by $300, which is like 10%, slightly less than 10% lower. Yeah. So Mr. Richard, what do you have for us today?
Yeah. If we can if we hear the if we see that our live stream last Friday, we also expect the price will be will have a correction, like it will go down a little bit based on some of the action from the Fed, and we also see the net loss. Yeah, and with the when I see Mr. Nicholas shared to us about the BTC price, so now let's see how's the BTC and all the crypto market uh, uh, a few days ago. Let me share the screen. Yeah, here's Bitcoin 360. Yeah, and we all can see just now it had a little bit change from the red to green because after 4 hours, after after four after a day and after 4 hours, because at this time we also go to another day in with the UTC times, and then the price also changed, and we can see the green on BTC, on some of the coins going up recently. And then our topic today is about the net loss. BTC dip below 40,000, and we also can review, can share, can see some of the other news, the other crypto, and what's happening last a few days, why the price go down. Yeah. Based on the article, Bitcoin dipped below 40,000 net loss. Yeah, and the reason, as we shared to all of you, is the Fed raising the Fed raising the rate, and the Goldman Sachs also foresee the raising will affect the total market. Let's see the total market in. This is the total market, not only in the crypto, but also in the US, Europe, Asia, and crypto, and the crypto also. And we see the total market in US on the index is going down, just have a little go up during the last few days. Also the same with Europe. Asia, we also can see some of the index going up, like the Hong Kong, Sensei, and SSE. This is a traditional market, is stock market. Now with the crypto, we can see the crypto have a bouncing recently here. Now we see it's had a adjustment down to 0.16%. It looks like the boom is pulling back, and it tried to go above 40,000. Yeah, and now we see the charts of the BTC, USDT, and BTC on the trading view. And now I will apply the indicator of the MA gross. We see the MA gross as we see when I apply the 50, it's so up for us to see if we apply the 50 the gross is still stack time for the gross. If it's gross, the price go down more or up more. It's an 8 gross or the golden gross. If we apply the 9 and 21, we have seen the two gross here. It's with the gross here. It has so the price has adjustment below 30,000. Yeah. We also can see the price is put the price below 30,000, 40,000, and the highest yesterday we see the lowest, the dip is 39,600, and now it's bouncing back.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's a lot of people say Shadowed is look like the bad chart. It look like they want to trap on the bear order. And we see the Friday U.S. labor market reports. The unemployment rate is 3.9%, and all that means the government has some adjustment, and it's affect the crypto market, also affect the traditional market. And we also can see all the we can see the price have a different, not only in crypto but also in stock market nowadays. Yeah, we can guess that the money flow is trying to go out on the market because also the holiday is coming. New Year, the Chinese New Year is coming, and maybe some
Well, I don't think the Americans celebrate Chinese New Year.
yeah. In my
But one thing
opinion,
is, yeah.
yeah,
So earlier, Mr. Richard mentioned something about the stock market and financial market that is kind of like in trouble in a sense. Yeah. So in the West, they have this interest rate. The Fed was trying to raise, or perhaps already raised the interest rate, and this actually caused a quite a sizable fear among the investors, and also the it'll affect the stocks. Yeah. So it'll cause a lot of people to want to sell because what, the interest rate going up and all this kind of thing. So it cause a lot of uncertainties. Yeah. So and I believe that is why it also affect the crypto market as well, because you can't separate crypto market and typical stock market, conventional stock market totally, because all these are linked. All these are real life investors. Like I invest in stock, I invest in crypto as well. And also, if I am not confident in either of the market, I'll look at my finance again, I'll look at my options again, and I'll look at what I have in my basket for investment, and I'll do some adjustment accordingly, so that I do not lose more money than other people. Yeah. So these are the things that are happening, and I think as each individual out there listening to us, you make your own judgment and decision based on what you feel about the market after seeing all this news out in the market telling us about the what's happening in the when US raised the interest rate. Yeah. So of course, besides that, you also have the crude oil prices. This America and I think it was Russia talking, because America was saying, oh, the crude oil prices are too high, and then you see that there are some social unrest in some of the Central Asia countries. Not many of them, but you don't know why they are. Basically, their oil prices are too high for them to swallow, so they want to protest. So things like this are happening even right at the beginning of the year. So of course, at the beginning of the year, usually at the beginning of the year, there are always something exciting happening, but this time it is all the protest that's happening. So right at the beginning of the year, attempts have been made to try to destabilize a country like Kazakhstan. Yeah, but Kazakhstan is a country that's full of resources. So of course, Russia and China are rushing to try to help this country stabilize again, and I think they have calmed down the protests so far. Yeah, so this country, I think they have a lot of oil. Yeah, but the people are, their living condition, or rather the kind of money they spend on things, yeah, it's actually in comparison to what we spend, what you spend in Japan or even the US. Things cost much lesser because their life, I think, I think Kazakhstan is below.
In our opinion, that country is next to China and Russia, and now and I also see the news about the Kosovo and some country have some issue with the mining activity, and
so all this could be affecting crypto investors and cryptoners mining activities and things like that. Yeah, I'm not saying that in Kazakhstan there are a lot of crypto miners, but a lot of these things contribute to the fear of investors who are also investor market. Yeah.
And now I also see the news recently is about the mining crisis when the police they seize some of the mining factory in Kosovo because they apply the crypto mining ban in the country, and it also have a little bit affect the price of crypto recently. But let's focus on some of the positive news. I also see and found the news about one of the billionaire. He invests 50% of his net worth into the crypto, and he also explained why. Let me share you the name of the billionaire. His name is Bill Miller. You can see the article about the billionaire, and he betting on the crypto on Bitcoin in 2020. Yeah, he explained why he would own up the crypto in because firstly he said this Bitcoin had limited supply, only 21 million. The second one, he compared between the Bitcoin and gold. He says in the 5,000 years ago, gone from a nickel to 1,850. With the Bitcoin, it takes 10 years from the Bitcoin gone from a nickel to 57,000. And he also think his bet he betting on Bitcoin. Yeah, it's look like do the betting because when he sees some of the technology company like MicroStrategy, Stronghold, digital mining jump into the crypto, and he also I forgot the slogan, join the list, and he also one of the people jump into the crypto recently, and it's so some positive news about crypto. We also can see that. The next one, information about the El Salvador. This article shared to us about how much El Salvador's Bitcoin currently worth. Yeah, we see this document say information to us. He counting how many times El Salvador purchased Bitcoin crypto. Yeah, the first thing is 200 Bitcoin, 9 billion on the September 6th when the price were going down. And now we see
So they have, according to this article, they have already bought 450 since September 2021.
yeah.
In total, I mean, in September 2021.
Yeah. Total, I think they bought 420 total at this moment, and now he purchased more 150 more at in 21 BTC also, because this people thinking, oh, why he bought only 21 BTC? In his own opinion, because this is a nice number, it's a good number. He purchased, yeah. Yeah, this is funny about this thing,
Yeah,
because
also
they also
super.
think some of the traders think, oh, he don't have enough money to buy more, but why he only buy 21 BTC? Yeah, he just explained, because I like this number on the 21st of December on 2021, so he bought only 21 BTC. Yeah, currently the value of the El Salvador Bitcoin, he entices now 60 million. Yeah, and he also still bullish. Yeah, he want to construct more school, hospital, best hospital, and building a Bitcoin city all over the country. Yeah.
Yeah, I think this Bitcoin City thing is the most catchy one in a sense, because
Yeah.
when you read Bitcoin City, I think it spells something. It means that this country leader has big plans and big intention, or rather big intention to begin with. Yeah. So because it's very much like China when they say, oh, we want to have a blockchain city, and then here in El Salvador, Central America, you say, we want to have a Bitcoin city. I think these are all pointing and gearing towards a very different kind of economy in the future for a particular country that is doing this. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure with some imagination we will be able to see that, people everywhere in this particular city are all using Bitcoin to buy sell things, and this will in turn tell the world that, pretty sure that it's not just this city. Let's say we call it City A. It's not just City A that is going to keep using Bitcoin to buy, sell, and transact among the people with the merchants. Yeah, maybe City B from another country is planning to do that, and then another country is B, C, D, E, F, G. Yeah. So countries that have plans for this kind of things that is going on, I think they are looking even way further forward into the future when it comes to dealing with finance. Yeah, because when you look at the current situation in the financial market, sometimes you will wonder, when are they going to raise or lower the interest rate, and that's going to affect my portfolio. Yeah, but these kind of things help not just a country but also its citizens and its residents when it comes to looking at different investment opportunities and possibilities. Yeah. And for people living in the city who has never invest or buy Bitcoin, they will start buying Bitcoin and start keeping Bitcoin and start hoping that the price will go up.
That's right. And
yeah.
then back to our topic today is about net loss and some of the chart. Let me see on the Fibonacci to see some of to see the resistance level and the supporting level, and then we will complete the live early morning. And we hope price will recover soon because it looked like the bear trap recently. And now let me share the charts on the chart on the trading views. Yeah.
I can't see anything. Oh yeah, yes, it's coming up. All right, the chart, right?
And the chart, yeah. Okay, now I apply some of the Fibonacci attention. Yeah, with the Fibonacci, I apply again retracement. We have the two Fibonacci with the MO opinion. The resistance next, the nearest resistance level is 43,000. 43,000, and the next one is 49, 45, 43 to 45.
Resistance is 43. How about the support?
The support level, let me change to the support level. Attention. With the extension, we can see support level. With the support level is the nearest is 38,900 to
33,900.
38,000.
38,900.
38,000, 38,100, and 37,000 with the 4-hour chart. Let me see. 37,200 from 38 to 30,000. With some people optimistic can expect the support level around 41,100. Yeah, optimistic. If optimistic, if unoptimistic, we can expect it's around 36,900.
Yeah, I
Oh,
I don't think people are feeling optimistic this week. I think they will probably look at the 36,000 support instead of looking at the 41,000. Yeah, because you look at all these things that's happening. I mean, when they raise interest rate, it is not going to be. I mean, the change of sentiments for the market doesn't happen overnight. So it probably take a few days to a week, or maybe even 2 weeks. Yeah. So as you see in this fear greed index, yeah, people are the index is
yeah,
now what, 21. Yeah.
21.
So
I still
continues
fear.
to be 21. Yesterday it was 23. Now it's even lesser. It's now 21. Yeah. So if this thing continues to be there on the rate scale, I think people will look at the support level of 36
Yeah,
to gauge how they are going to enter the market or exit the market.
yeah. That's why some people they also have a little bit fear about this, and it's up to some of the it's some people say that it's depend on how much money you earn, but also depend on how long you stay in the market
Yeah.
to
That
see yeah
coin 360 just now
yeah
toys. Why? Suddenly I'm thinking, oh, Chinese New Year is coming, so everything turns red.
yeah. That's why, and we still have some of the positive news and also have some negative news, but we may focus more on the positive news to see how the market recover after the few days or after a few weeks to see. And I also think it's also a time for us to complete the live stream early. Is it
Yeah.
early to complete the live stream? I think, let me check because
It's 0829 on my clock here.
yeah
So
It's also
Yeah, that's
it's all right. We also complete the live stream earlier with some of the news in um, when we see the market turn red, and a lot. Of course, I think a lot of people feel worried about the market, but in my own opinion, thus it may hit a little bit about the support level or not. But
yeah.
in the previous live stream, I also say the support level last week the support level is 40,000. It's around 40,000 now. It's hit the 40,000 and now it's returned back. But this week, if it cannot recover above the support level, it cannot reach the resistance level. It will go down to the next support level. It means that if it cannot go above 43,000, so it may go down to the support level at 37,000, 36,000 to 37,000. Yeah, this is based
Means
on some of the analysis.
if the price doesn't go up, it means the whales are very happy. They can buy at much lower price soon. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe the Chinese whales are saying, "Oh, let it go down further. We can sweep a lot in and then celebrate Chinese New Year."
Sometimes we need to focus, stick to the market movement to see how the market move, and we some people say dance together with the market. Yeah, it's time to go. Yeah, okay. I think it's also time for us to complete the live stream early this morning. Yeah, all the best mm, for the market. Yeah, now I give the word to Mr. Nicholas to say to our
Right.
audience.
Yeah. Thank you all for joining us. It's for crypto market. It's definitely a slow start to the week, considering the fact that we are now in technically the second week of 2022.
Yeah, that's right.
So it seems like stock market is always on a bumpy road in the beginning of the year. I think according to what happened last year and the year before, I think it's pretty much similar. Yeah. So of course, uh, if you are a big whale, well, you'll be buying quite a bit in the next couple of days or even weeks. Yeah. So but for all of us out there, if you are investing in alternative coins, then do read up on the necessary information, and then you'll be able to make a clearer and a better decision. And hope everyone is going to make some money very soon. Yeah, so CNY is coming. Yeah, hope everyone is getting prepared. If you are celebrating Lunar New Year with the rest of us. Yeah. So okay, thank you all for joining us. We'll see you again on Friday. Yeah,
Friday, yeah,
Friday.
see you on Friday.